Hi, I'm John Salmons, Comfort Advisor here at Service One. What we would like to do today is show you how to properly maintain and clean your American Standard AccuClean electronic air cleaner. As you see in this application, our electronic air cleaner is actually in a horizontal fashion. That is sometimes normal, but it does depend on how the equipment is put in. Generally, you will see the AccuClean air cleaner standing next to the furnace, but in either condition, it's still appropriate. What we'd like to do is go through a few procedures that will keep you safe, help you keep your AccuClean unit clean and serviced. What we need to do first is make sure that our power is off. If we go down to the start switch, it's a little circle with a dash on it. We depress that until all the power goes out. Now that the power is out of the AccuClean, we need to shut our furnace switch off. What that usually involves is some type of a light switch on what we call a service switch, which shuts the power off to the furnace. Now we're assured that there's no power to our AccuClean air cleaner. The next step would be to depress a little tab on our cord that actually disengages the control head from the actual AccuClean air cleaner. Next step after that would be to open the tabs. Opening the tabs allows the control panel door to come off. Once the control head is released, I'm going to explain how to remove the filters for cleaning. The first filter we take out is the pre-filter. It will be the filter with the mesh material on the face. Set that down. The next filter to be removed is what we call our ionizing grid. I'll remove that, put it on the table. The last filter to be removed is our secondary filters. There are two. There are handles on both devices for easy cleaning. Today is simulate cleaning. The manufacturer does recommend 3 to 6 months, but if you have allergies or asthma or maybe pets, you may want to clean your cells more often. Sometimes as early as a month, as they see fit. What we're going to do for the purposes of our class today is explain how to clean each one of these devices. We're going to simulate the actual vacuuming process to make it easier for you to hear me talk. What we want to do is go over the top of this filter gently to where that we don't put any holes in the material itself. It should be very easily cleanable without doing so. Our next step is to go to what we call our ionizing grid. If you'll notice, there's nail holes that are nails that are sticking out of our ionizing grid. It's very important to take a packing peanut, a little piece of styrofoam, whatever you have available at your house. What you do is you gently push your styrofoam over the top of each nail. The reason why you want to do that is because it makes your electronic air cleaner more effective in its cleaning process. The last stage of our cleaning, we're going to clean the last cell that was removed from the air cleaner. And we would do a cleaning in a similar fashion as we did our first cell and basically go over the top of the cell itself to make sure it's clean. It's very normal to see discoloration in this device as it gets older because that means it's doing its job. Now that they're clean, we'll show you how the cells go back in. What you might be able to notice is that if you put the air cleaner in upside down, it won't go in. So they're virtually foolproof as far as putting them in. What we'll do is we'll flip that device over and slide it in. We'll put the other one in and slide them in back to back. What we want to do is make sure that the handles are in an upright position. There is an airflow arrow on here that tells you which direction to go. We'll put that device in. And lastly, our pre-filter, which once again does have an airflow arrow on it. After doing that, what we'll do is put our door on. There are tabs down at the bottom of the door for easy placement. The door sits on the rack and then clips into place. After doing that, what we need to do is plug back in our wire harness. The last step is to turn our furnace on. After we've turned our furnace back on, if you remember, we did shut our power off to our control head. Once again, pushing the round button with the slight dash on it. Now we've completed the process of cleaning our electronic air cleaner. Remember to check out our website and like us on Facebook.